Does one twin get more attention than the other? I asked my twin girls this very question. Do you ever feel like your twin gets more attention than you do?
Of course not. I think I get the most attention.
Oh, I think you get the most attention?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm admitting it.
You admit that you get the most attention. Do you ever feel like your twin gets more attention than you?
Always. Mhm.
Always.
Uh-huh.
You may have one twin that kind of demands and pulls in the attention away from the other twin. So I want you to remember 3 things in helping to give each of your twins individual attention. Number 1, be aware that one twin may be more demanding of your attention than the other. Number 2, plan one-on-one time with each of your twins. That guarantees you're going to have individual attention and time with each of them without focusing all of your attention on just one of the twins. And number 3, don't play favorites. If you tend to play favorites on the twin who may be more demanding or need more of your attention, the other twin is going to feel a little left out. So don't play favorites. Love both of your twins equally and try to spend as much time as you can with each of them. So I hope you found this video helpful to give you a little bit of insight into what it means to be a twin from a twin's perspective. If you found this video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Yep.
And subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos about parenting twins, tips and tricks for helping your twins and being the best twin parent you can be. Also, if you want to check out some of these other videos for tips and tricks on how to parent your twins, go ahead and give those a little clicky. Otherwise, leave a comment below on what's the most interesting thing you learned about being a twin from the answers my daughters shared today. So until next time, we'll see ya.
Bye!